Hello guys, I am Akash. Welcome to my channel CyberSecOps. In this video, you will learn about malwares. So basically, we will discuss what is malware, how malware works, types of malwares. So let's start our first topic, what is malware. Malware has actually been a threat to individuals and organizations since the early 1970s when the Creeper virus first appeared. Since then, the world has been under attack from hundreds of thousands of different malware variants, all with the intent of causing the most disruption and damage as possible. Malware is any software intentionally designed to cause damage to a computer, servers, client, or a computer network. Types of malware can include computer viruses, worms, Trojan horses, and spywares. This malicious program can perform a variety of different tasks such as stealing, encrypting or deleting sensitive data, altering or hijacking core computing functions, and monitoring users' computer activity without their permissions. The truth is, no antivirus or anti-malware will protect you from all malwares. If an infection slips through, it means that your confidential information is put at risk. But your knowledge and awareness about cybersecurity can protect you from cyber threats. So let's discuss how malware works. Malware spread through internet by downloads, USB drive, or phishing attacks. For example, your device is infected by malicious software because malicious program can be delivered to your system with a USB drive or can spread over the internet through drive by downloads, which automatically download and install malicious programs such as viruses, adwares, spywares to your system without your approval or knowledge. There is a command and control server which is managed by the cyber criminal that allows to communicate with the infected system and exfiltrate your sensitive data and even remotely control the compromised device or server. Cyber criminals are becoming more and more sophisticated in their methods. It's important to know the different types of malware and how to prevent them. So let's start our next topic, types of malware. Here a list of most common type of malware and their malicious intent. First one is Trojan horses, spyware, adware, worms, and keyloggers. So let's go through them briefly one by one. First one is Trojan. A Trojan or Trojan horses is disguised itself as a legitimate software with the purpose of tricking you into executing malicious software on your computers. There are some of most common type of Trojan malwares, including their names and what they do on your computers. First one is backdoor Trojan. This Trojan can create a backdoor on your computer. It lets an attacker access your computer and control it. Your data can be downloaded by third party and stolen, or more malware can be uploaded to your device. Next one is downloader Trojan. This Trojan targets your already infected computer. It downloads and installs new version of malicious programs. These can include Trojan, adwares, and spyware. Next in the list is spywares. Spyware is one of the most common type of threat to internet user. Once installed in your computer, it monitors internet activity, track login credentials, and spies on sensitive information. The primary goal of spyware is usually to obtain credit card numbers, web browsing data, banking information, and password to various accounts. It can easily infect your device and it can be hard to identify. Spyware is a threat to business and individual users. It can be violate the end user's privacy and has the potential to abuse. If you have been infected with spywares, take steps to remove it. Be proactive by changing your passwords and notifying your bank to watch for fraudulent activity. Next in the list is adware. Adware is unwanted software designed to throw advertisement on your screen, most often within a web browser. Adware collects personal information from you to serve you with more personalized ads. Here are a few typical signs that you have adware on your system. Advertisements appear in places they shouldn't be. Your web browser's home pages has mysteriously changed without your permissions. Web pages that you typically visit are not displaying properly. Website links redirect to sites different from what you expected. New toolbars, extensions, and plugins suddenly populate your browsers. Fourth one is worms. A worm virus is a malicious program which replicates itself by infecting other computers, that are on the same network, and it can be spread throughout a network without human assistance. Most known computer worms are spread in one of the following ways. First one, files sent as email attachment via link to a web or FTP resource via P2P, peer-to-peer file sharing network. Some worms are spread as a network packets. These directly penetrate the computer memory and the worm code is then activated. Last one is keyloggers. Keyloggers keep track of your keystroke on your keyboard and record them on a log. This information is used to gain unauthorized access to your accounts. Keylogger collect information and send it back to a third party, whether that is criminal, law enforcement or IT department. The amount of information collected by keylogger software can vary. The most basic form may only collect the information typed into a single website or application. More sophisticated one may record everything you type no matter the application, including information you copy and paste. Everything you type is sent to a hacker database over the internet where the text is analyzed to pick out the sensitive part like your username and password. So guys, these are the types of malware. In this video, hope you understand what is malware, how it's work and types of malware. And if you learn something new from this video, please do like, share and comment. Also subscribe my channel CyberSecOps and press the bell icon for getting notification on new upcoming videos.